guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there today? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day. Just want to come and show you some more postcards I've received in the mail. If you're here for the first time, go ahead and click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you're notified each and every time I upload new videos, okay? All right, just got these in the mail. This is 2,500 postcards for the Cash Cow, okay? As you can see right there, this program is lit, on fire. When I tell you, people are very interested in this. It's a great price point. It's only $300 to get in. You'll mail in 3 money orders, 100 to me, 100 to my sponsor, and 100 to the company. Okay, does not have a website, but it comes with 100 postcards and a welcome kit with some marketing information about postcard marketing. Okay, so dead serious about this. Okay, I walk it like I talk it. Okay, I showed you guys I had 1,000 that I sent out, and here is just some payments to the side, just a few. Okay, between the Tycoon and Cash Cow, I recently received. Okay, this week. Okay, so that's the Cash Cow on 2 tiers, mind you. Okay, you're gonna get paid $100 on 2 tiers, which means every time one of your teammates makes $100, you make $100. So if you signed up, let's say Joe, and then Joe mailed out his postcards, because your name is going to be in box 2 on his cards now. So when he mail out his cards and he makes $100, you also make $100 off of Joe's efforts. Okay, powerful. 2 tiers. Okay, now $1,000 per sale, Supreme Profit System. There's 1,000 of those postcards. Okay. This one comes with a website, personalized with your name and number on it. It also comes with 1,000 I'm tongue-tied this morning. 1,000 full-color postcards. Okay? Just like what you see here. You're going to get 1,000 just because you joined the program in color. All right, with your website link on it. As you can see, here's mine. Okay? But I created a page for it. You can go to easymailboxincome.com for that one. I'll put the links below for each of these. Okay. Cash Cow is easypostcardincome.com. By the way, I'm going to give you 200 leads if you join me in the Cash Cow. Okay. If you join me in Supreme Profit System, I'm going to give you 1,000 leads. It comes with 1,000 cards. I'm going to give you 1,000 leads. So you now have a business in a box. You have a website that's going to do all the selling and telling, and it has a 24/7 number that you can call. Okay? All of them have a 24/7 number you can call. And if you can see back here, I still have some Tycoon postcards as well. You make 300 per sale with that one. That one comes with 250 leads and 250 postcards and a website. Okay? But people have been asking me about $1,000. They want it high ticket because it doesn't take that many sales. This is 2 tiers as well. This one's 2 tiers. The Tycoon is 1 tier. So the Cash Cow is 2 tiers. When your team makes 100, you make 100. Supreme Profit System is 1,000 per sale. When your team makes $1,000, you make 1,000. Okay? So you only need a few of these a month to really make some great income, 5 figures a month, okay? So this is a nice postcard. So if you're interested in the high ticket, join me in Supreme Profit System. Comes with 1,000 cards, a website, and I'm going to give you 1,000 leads, okay? So just want to show you guys, this is not a hobby for me, serious business. So I've got more cards coming. That was just my 1,000. I got another 25 to 5,000 coming for this one, because I got a great deal for 5,000. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. So if you're interested in getting those envelopes in the mail, your commission for signing people up, all you're doing is mailing the postcards. Let the system do the selling and telling. I don't have to explain this stuff. okay? And you won't either. All right, guys, thanks for checking it out. Like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day.